What is a PMO? If your organization runs multiple projects and struggles with consistency, visibility, and resource conflicts, a project management office is the answer. In the next few minutes, we will explain what a PMO is, how it operates, and why successful organizations invest in building one. Let us get started. Let us begin by defining a PMO and its core purpose. A PMO is a centralized function that standardizes project management practices and provides governance across the portfolio. A PMO establishes the common frameworks, methodologies, and tools that all project teams use, ensuring consistent project execution across the organization. By aggregating project status, risk, and financial data, the PMO gives senior leadership the portfolio-level visibility they need to make informed investment and prioritization decisions. Resource allocation across competing projects is one of the PMO's most valuable functions, preventing the overcommitment and capacity conflicts that derail individual projects. The PMO maintains the organization's library of project templates, standards, and lessons learned, making each new project more efficient than the last. Project managers benefit from PMO support through coaching, methodology guidance, escalation support, and access to centralized expertise that individual project teams cannot maintain alone. For terms that define the PMO landscape, a PMO is not just an administrative function. It is a strategic capability that enables the organization to execute its projects more consistently, efficiently, and with greater visibility. The project portfolio is the totality of the organization's projects, programs, and investments. The PMO's role is to ensure the portfolio as a whole is aligned with strategic objectives. Governance in project management defines who approves projects, who monitors them, who has authority to stop them, and how decisions are escalated when problems arise. A project methodology, whether Prince2, PMBOK, or Agile, provides the structured approach that all project managers follow, enabling consistency and simplifying training and oversight. Now let us walk through how a PMO works in practice. Building and operating a PMO follows a structured approach from mandate definition through capability development and portfolio governance. The PMO mandate defines whether it is supportive, controlling, or directive, and this determines its authority over individual projects and project managers. Methodology and standards define how projects will be initiated, planned, executed, monitored, and closed across the organization, creating consistency that reduces failure rates. Portfolio governance mechanisms, including stage gate reviews, resource boards, and priority forums, ensure the right projects are approved and the underperforming ones are addressed. Project management tools, from templates to portfolio management software, are deployed to support consistent data capture and reporting across all projects. PMO performance must be measured and communicated. Demonstrating the value the PMO creates through improved delivery rates, reduced overruns, and better visibility is essential for sustained executive support. The PMO establishment process flows from mandate definition through standards development, governance design, tool deployment, and continuous value demonstration. Mandate definition. Let us explore the key benefits of a PMO. A well-established PMO transforms project delivery from a series of individual struggles into a consistent, visible, and strategically aligned capability. Organizations with mature PMOs consistently deliver more projects on time, on budget, and within scope than those without, because standards and oversight prevent the most common failure causes. Portfolio visibility enables leadership to make strategic decisions about which projects to fund, which to deprioritize, and which to stop, decisions that are impossible without consolidated data. Resource management across competing projects is one of the PMO's highest value contributions. Preventing the overallocation and priority conflicts that derail projects saves enormous cost. Every project that goes through the PMO framework adds to the organization's collective project management knowledge, making subsequent projects progressively easier to deliver. Let us compare organizations without a PMO against those with a mature, valued project management office. Without a PMO, projects are run inconsistently. Leadership has no portfolio-level visibility. Resource conflicts go unmanaged, and the organization's ability to learn from project experience is minimal. With a mature PMO, project delivery is consistent and visible, resources are allocated strategically, and the organization builds genuine project management capability with each delivery cycle. Let us consolidate the key insights from our introduction to the Project Management Office. If you are ready to build a PMO from scratch or transform an existing one, our full Udemy course covers every aspect of PMO design, governance, and value delivery. Enroll today. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.